Today we're going to learn how to crochet a magic loop. So we're going to wrap our yarn around our fingers twice and in a crisscross shape. And then we grab our hook and slide it onto the first loop, and then we grab the top loop on the other side and pull it through and twist our hook around so it's facing upwards. And now to secure the loop, we simply chain one. And now you have a magic loop. So let's have a look at that again. Wrap your yarn around your fingers twice in a crisscross shape. Grab your hook, slide it onto the first loop on the right hand side, and then grab the top left loop, pull it under, and then twist our hook. And then we grab the yarn that's attached to the ball and chain one. And now you've got a magic loop.